Housewives. I don't believe you if you say that, by the way, but even if, let's say maybe you've never seen one, okay, sure. If you take a look up on your screens and then you kind of look around you here, you'll notice that it's weird, but this street appears a lot larger on television than it actually is in person. And the main thing you have to remember, and this is true of all the sets on the back lot, they're not built for our eyes. You know, we have two of these bad boys. They're built for the eye of the camera. It's really easy to fool, and the camera only has one. It's this one right there. So through this house. So there's nothing on the inside of that house. It's literally the front and the sides. That's all that you see on camera, so that is all that we have to build. You guys will also notice right here in the middle of Wisteria Lane, the street is curved on either end. So if I'm filming, say, a Toys R Us commercial, oh, RIP Toys R Us. I forgot they don't exist anymore. They're bankrupt now. So let's say from last year they filmed the Toys R Us on the hill, and both of these are the. Wait a second. Wait. Did you just see someone like walk into the Bates Motel? That was so weird. I think maybe maybe we spotted Norman Bates. That's not him, it's a dead ringer for him, you guys. Maybe he's just, I mean, I don't know what he's doing. I'm feeling uncomfortable, and I think we need to report this back to... Hey, Norman! Didn't see you there. Actually, none of us saw anything at all. As you can see, it is basically a disaster out here. This is one of the most intricate, most colossal sets ever constructed on the property. You guys are looking at the crash site, and this appears in Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. Take a look.
Seek courage, and though your worlds apart, there is more to you that meets the eye. Autobots, roll out! All hail Megatron. Look at all of you slimy, disgusting worms. You think there will be peace on this planet? How foolish and oblivious you really are. For lurking through the shadows, I emerge. My voice is venomous, my claws are spears, and my name is Megatron. Citizens of Earth, fleshlings of Universal Studios, heed my words and listen well with those pathetic audio processors you call ears. I am your new lord and master now, and I have come to reclaim my rightful kingdom here on this puny rock you call a planet. So you may come, cower at my feet, bow before me, and beg for mercy, and I may let you live to see tomorrow. Defy me, however, and you shall perish in the dust.